I'll go bring the car around.
Okay. Come on, honey. Hi.
Hi. Aw, what a cute little boy.
Why, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Where's my baby? Has anybody seen my baby? Where's my baby? Where's my baby?
It happens 550,000 times a year. Child abduction is a serious problem in the United States. 2 million missing children a year, 1.5 million are runaways, but it's still a serious problem. Imagine a town of 2 million people just disappearing. Frightening, isn't it? But you can help. Should you have any information on a missing child or have a missing child yourself, you can call these toll-free hotline numbers, 1-800-431-5005 or 1-800-843-5678. Please help.
This is Ulster County Community College Television.